Did you know that in Greek mythology, a hunter was killed by his own dogs while he was still human inside? His name was Actaeon, and he made the worst mistake of his life when he accidentally saw Artemis bathing naked. The goddess was furious. Without a word, she splashed enchanted water on him and transformed him into a stag. But here's the truly horrifying part. Actaeon's mind stayed completely human while trapped in a deer's body. His own hunting pack found him and didn't recognize their master. They tore him apart while he watched helplessly, unable to scream.